Hello, my name is Virginia Sapola. Welcome to Agriscience and Technology 1. To introduce myself to you, I've been teaching at Westhill High School this is my 7th year. I'm also the director of the Agriscience program. So if you have any questions about the programs in general, please feel free to contact me. My contact info is coming up. So to get us started, here is my contact information. You can reach me by email at vsapola@stanfordct.gov. Email is the best way to reach me, but if you'd like to call by phone, you can call 203-977-4974, and I will get back to you if you leave a message. I also wanted to mention that I do have a classroom Instagram where I'll be doing updates of what's going on in the classroom, as well as sending out information about activities that we do and lessons. And so you can follow me at agsci_Sapola. And then lastly, you can get information about the Agriscience program on our website at www.stanfordagriscience.com. You can check out our upcoming events, information about courses, information about SAE opportunities. There's all sorts of great information on there. And now to learn a little bit about our class, you can go to Google Classroom. This is the best resource for students in my class, and I will show you why. So if you take a look, this is what the homepage looks like for your students. And I have invited all of the guardians to Google Classroom. So if you're not on Google Classroom, please shoot me an email and let me know so that I can make sure that you can get on there. But when you come into the Google Classroom screen, this is what you'll see. And if you scroll down, this first opening page here is based on chronological order. And then if you click the classwork tab, I've actually put everything into topics and categories. So you can see right now in class, we're going over SAE. And if you scroll down under our general course information, you can take a look at the course description, which is right here. So as this opens up, so all the information for the course is in this course description. This course is a rotational exploratory course. So your children will get to explore all the different areas of agriculture. So they'll be going over plant science, animal science, environmental science, marine and aquaculture, food science, floral design, public speaking, agribusiness and career skills, FFA, and SAE. It's a really great course. Students will get a little taste of all the different areas of agriculture and get a nice introduction into the different fields. So that way, as they move through the program, they can make good choices about their upper level courses and have the background information that they need to be successful. As far as grading goes for the course, assignments, projects, and homeworks will be 35% of students' grades. This includes any distance learning work. Tests and quizzes are going to make up 20% of the grade. Then classroom and laboratory participation will be 15%. FFA will be 15%, and SAE will be 15%. If you're unfamiliar with the FFA and SAE program, you can take a look at our program information packet, which you can also find here and under general course information. So all of that information is in this packet here. You can also go to our website and take a look at Virtual Ag Parent Night. We go over the SAE and FFA program very thoroughly in the Virtual Ag Parent Night link. And if you're having problems finding that, please feel free to email me and I will make sure that I send that to you. There is no specific text for this course. And then as far as class expectations, students will be required to wear their masks at all times, of course. I am wiping down desks in between periods. And as far as working with students, I have been putting their work up on the projector. I work from my computer and show them what I talk about specific things on their assignment, and they're looking at it on their computer and working so that we can remain socially distant. And then lastly, I am offering help, extra help if students need to come in to meet with me to go over tests or homework assignments, or just to get a little extra help with content. I'm free during periods 2, 6, and 7. Students should contact me directly via email to make an appointment. I am also available outside of school time via Zoom, and I'm very happy to help outside of class. So students can just email me and contact me to set up a meeting to get some extra help. And then lastly, I also wanted to let you know that all of the materials for the course are going to be on Google Classroom. So students can come to Google Classroom and get what they need. So for example, during our SAE unit, we're doing an interactive PowerPoint at this point. And so I've actually posted that PowerPoint as a resource for students. And so they can click on this, and this actually leaves the questions blank on for the questions and the interactive pieces. And then once we've completed going through this interactive PowerPoint, I'll send them the results. So they'll have this copy as a blank to practice with. And then they'll also have the answers in that finished interactive PowerPoint when I send out the results. Please, if you have any questions, reach out. Like I said, email is the best way to reach me, but you can also feel free to call. And again, my email is bsapola@stanfordct.gov. Thank you very much.